Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest iPhone tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to change payment method on iCloud on iPhone 2025. Whether you're switching credit cards, updating your bank details, or just managing your subscriptions, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. It's super straightforward, but let's walk through it step by step so you don't miss a beat. First things first, grab your iPhone and make sure it's running the latest iOS update for 2025. This ensures everything runs smoothly. Start by unlocking your device and opening the Settings app. You know, that gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and tap on your name at the top. That's your Apple ID profile. It's like the command center for all your Apple services. Now, in your Apple ID settings, look for the option that says Payment and Shipping. Go ahead and tap on that. Depending on your account settings, you might need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID, Touch ID to verify it's really you. Security first, right? Once you're in, you'll see your current payment methods listed. To change it, tap on the one you want to update or add a new one. Here's where the fun begins. You'll be prompted to select a new payment method from the options available, like adding a new credit card, debit card, or even setting up Apple Pay. Enter the details carefully. Double-check that card number and expiration date to avoid any errors. After you've made your selection, hit Done or Save to apply the changes. iCloud will process this quickly, and you'll get a confirmation on screen. And just like that, you're all set. Your new payment method is now linked to your iCloud account, making future purchases or subscriptions seamless. Remember, if you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check your details or contact Apple support. This process is quick, taking less than a minute once you're familiar with it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 iPhone hacks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay tuned, and see you in the next video.